Hey, boys, we need you to go to Sam's Club to buy fruits, vegetables, rice, meat, potatoes, chicken, pasta, and French fries. But we want to be on your best behavior.
And same thing goes for you, Dark Iron Buddy Bro. If you don't behave, then you are grounded, understand?
Yes, Mom and Dad, we understand.
Yeah, Mom and Dad, we promise we'll behave.
Great. That's what we want to hear.
All right, gentlemen, have fun. We will. See you later.
Ugh. Iron Buddy Bro, why do you always get to drive but not me?
Because Dark Iron Buddy Bro, this is my car, and I can do whatever I want with it.
All right, can we, please, listen to music?
No, not in my car. If you were to buy yourself a car, then you would listen to music you like. But in my car, you have to follow my rules. And besides, you are still grounded.
Oh, come on. Can we, please, listen to music?
Dark Iron Buddy Bro, I said, no, we are not listening to music and that's final. Now, leave me alone.
If you don't let me listen to music, then I will take over the driver's seat.
Hey, don't threaten me like that. And how many times have I? Ouch! Dark Iron Buddy Bro, knock it off. I am trying to drive.
No, not until you let me listen to music.
Dark Iron Buddy Bro, I already told you. No, we are not listening to music and that's final. Hey, Dark Iron Buddy Bro, let go of the steering wheel. I am trying to drive.
No, you wouldn't let me listen to music, so now you will.
What the? Where am I? How did I get here?
Hello Dark Iron Buddy Bro, I am Dr. Jane, and you are in the hospital because you were injured in a car accident, and you have a bunch of bruises all over your body during the incident. Anyways, you have some visitors who want to see you.
Oh my gosh! Iron Buddy Bro, are you okay?
Yeah, we were so worried, we thought you were dead. What happened?
Well, we were going to Sam's Club to buy the stuff you told us to buy. But then, Dark Iron Buddy Bro kept asking me to put on some music for him, but I told him, no, and then he tried to take the steering wheel from me, and made me crash. Can you, please, deal with him?
What?
What? Dark Iron Buddy Bro, you cannot believe you interrupted Iron Buddy Bro while he was driving, tried to take the steering wheel from him, and made him car crash. Do you have any idea how dangerous that was?
Look, Mom and Dad, I'm sorry. All I wanted to listen to music, but Iron Buddy Bro wouldn't let me, so that's
more than enough, Dark Iron Buddy Bro, and your apology is denied, and thanks to you, we have to pay the hospital bill for Iron Buddy Bro's injuries, and for this, you are grounded for 2 weeks. Let's go home right now, and when we get home, we will go straight to
grounded for 2 weeks.
that's... 2 weeks. 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 2 weeks This is so unfair. All I wanted was to listen to music.